how to undo edit on CapCut. So guys, in this video I will show you how you can undo edit on CapCut. So guys, without wasting time, let's start video. If you find this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel.
Firstly, click on CapCut. So after click on CapCut, here you can see the options of edit. So just click on edit and then click on new project or select the video from your project. So after selecting, so here you can see this video is now in the project, so ready to edit. So after this, now if I want to delete some part of the video, so just firstly split the part, or after this click on delete options. So if you want to undo this edit, so here is the options of this, so just click on it and you can see this options are edit. So guys, in this way you can undo any setting in the CapCut. So guys, if this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.